Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Warpath Ace Shooter game on your mobile device. To update Warpath Ace Shooter, first of all, make sure that your Warpath Ace Shooter game is closed. After you do that, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Inside the App Store or your Play Store, go to the search icon at the bottom right and then in the search box type in Warpath Ace Shooter. Look for this application and open up this screen. If there is an update available, you will see an update button right underneath the game's name or right next to it. Simply tap update. If it says open instead, it means you already have the latest version. Before beginning to update the app, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, preferably a Wi-Fi, so the update downloads smoothly. Once updated, you can tap the open button to launch Warpath Ace Shooter. And that's how you get the latest version of the app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!